Welcome to Style TV. My name is Wim-Jaap van Goor and I'm gonna show you how to make this product on the Style milling machine. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to program this workpiece. How do we start? It's Windows, so we start here with File, New, and here we enter what kind of material we're gonna use and how big our material is. So the material is 75 in the X and 115 in the Y and 20 millimeters in the Z. Okay, here is the material. The origin I will put in the middle here. So, okay. And now I can choose my first process. So here, process. First process is facing, it's a milling operation. So I select milling. Now I'm going to select my milling tool. This one. This is my milling tool. Press OK. And here I enter the cutting data of the milling tool. But this already comes from the library, so I don't have to enter. I only have to enter where to start. I will start at +2 above the material and I will go facing to 0. Okay? Here you see the mill. Now I go to Draw, menu number 2, and I select Face Material. Face Material. I want to have an overlap, let's say, of 95%. The direction in which we mill, press OK. And now you can see the milling cycle on the screen. First operation. Now we go to the second one. Again, process. We go to milling. We select our tool. Press OK. Feed rate, RPM is OK. So I only have to enter where to start. We start on 0 and we go to -20. OK. And now we press OK to confirm. First, before I start drawing, I will set my radius compensation on the left side, here. And now I start drawing. So I go to the start position of my contour. I go to absolute. The start position is -37.5 and 0. Okay, this is the start position. And now I'm going to draw a line. So I go to Draw, Line. The line is asking for the start point. I am on the start point, so I confirm with enter. Now I have to go to the end point, so I go to absolute. And now my end point is x0 and 115 divided by 2. Okay, there it is. Confirm with enter. And now I have to make a complete triangle, so this line, this line. So I'm not going to draw, I'm going to use mirror. So I'm going to go to select this one. I select this line. I go to edit, the second menu, and then first I'm going to mirror horizontal. Okay, and now I'm going to mirror vertical. Okay, and there you have your contour. Now I have to insert the radius. So I go to edit, insert arc, radius, and the radius has to be 10. There it is. Okay, this is the first contour with this mill. We're going to make a second contour, but first I have to change the parameters. This one has to go to -8, so not to -20 but -8. Okay, radius compensation is on the good side. I go to the starting point, that's the center. Now I go to Draw, and the first arc will be one with a radius, a start angle and an end angle. Now the radius of the first arc is 25, start angle 180, end angle 0, so half a circle I'm going to draw. Okay, and now I'm going to draw the second half with another option. So now I only enter the radius and the direction. And now I'm going to say what's the start point. This is my start point. Enter. This one is my end point. Also confirm with enter. And now I can choose between two arcs. I want to have this one. Okay. And there it is. Now two more operations. One milling. So we go to process. Milling. We select the correct tool. A tool of 25. Okay. And this tool has to go to -20 or maybe a little bit further, 22. Feed rate RPM is okay, so okay. Also with this tool I will start in the middle and I will make a pocket, a circular pocket. So I go to draw, second menu, and I'm going to make a circular pocket. Now the pocket has to go in the output counterclockwise with an overlap of 50%. Okay. Now I have to move the cursor to the center of the pocket. It's already there, so I press enter. And now I have to move to the edge of the pocket. So I will do that with relative. Relative. Now the diameter of the pocket is 38. So we have to move 38 divided by 2. Okay. There it is. Confirm with enter. There is our pocket. The last process is drilling. So I go to process, drill. I select my drill, press OK. I enter where to start, +1, and I have to go to -20 or more. Let's go to 24. Okay. Now the parameters already came from the library, so the rest was okay. So confirm, okay. The drill is on the screen, and first I have to move the drill to the correct position. X is 0, and Y is 40. So here you can see the drill. And to make a drill hole, I have to press enter, and there is a drill hole. We have to make 2, also one over there. Let's use mirror again. So I'm going to select the hole. I go to edits, and I'm going to mirror vertical, press OK, and there it is. This is the drawing. Now before I can execute this drawing on the machine, I have to go to output. And I have to set my tool position, I have to maybe double check my cutting data. And of course, before I go to the output, I can do a simulation, this one. And what you see now are all the movements that will happen on the machine. And you also see the big end switch region, so how big your workpiece can be. And first I'm going to zoom only on the product. Here it is. And I can play the complete product from start. So first thing will be facing. And the tool will now move with the exact same speed as on the machine, but for this movie it takes too long, so we speed it up. That was facing. Now we do the other mill, speed it up. And here you see the total time, here you see the type of mill, the time, the current time. Next tool. So this is the circular pocket, speed it up. And the last operation, drilling, also a little bit faster. And that's it. Looks good. So quit, everything is okay. So now we can go to output start and start our machine. That's how easy it is. But we can do more. So instead of drawing ourselves, we can also go to insert. And we can, for example, insert a complete drawing, a DXF drawing, or we can draw something with free contour. So if you have unknown values, difficult drawings, you can use the free contour program. The real CNC users know this, Macro. It's quite difficult, but you can do very nice things with it. And this is a new feature, the free shape. You can define your own shape with parameters, and then you also can insert all these different shapes into your drawings. Now I will show you very fast how the DXF looks like. I go to DXF Reader, I open a DXF, the DXF of this particular workpiece. And now what I can do, I can zoom in, zoom out of course, like this. And now I can select in this DXF the elements that I want to draw. So instead of drawing myself, I can select all these elements, and then the elements will be imported in the drawing. I press OK. I'm not going to do it now. And then instead of drawing yourself, you can import a complete DXF. So it's not only an easy control, you can do lots of nice things with it.